Hello guys, I am on, and in this video we will learn that how we can install Kali Linux and how we can add it into the VirtualBox. So without wasting any time, let's do it.
My name's blurry face and I care what you think.
Now, throughout the course, we are going to use a number of penetration testing tools. You can go ahead and install each of these tools manually, or you can go do what most pen testers do, including myself, and save time and effort and use an operating system designed basically for hacking. We are going to use an operating system called Kali Linux, and it is just a flavor of Linux based on Debian, and it comes with all the programs and the applications what we need to use pre-installed and pre-configured. This means that we can just install this operating system and then start learning hacking. There are basically two options to install Kali. You can install it as a virtual machine inside your current operating system, or you can install it as a main machine as main operating system. Throughout the series, I'm actually gonna use it as a virtual machine because a virtual machine works exactly the same as it is installed as a main machine, because it will be completely isolated from your computer. It's just only gonna run inside the VirtualBox. So if you break it or if you mess things up, it is very easy to fix. It's very easy to go back to the other snapshots, other configurations, and also you won't lose any functionality by using it as a virtual machine. That's why I always use it as a virtual machine, and in this lecture I am going to cover how to install it as a virtual machine inside the VirtualBox. Now, I am going to be doing the steps on a Macintosh computer, but these steps are exactly the same regardless of the what operating system you guys are using. If you are on Windows or on Linux, you just have to download the VirtualBox version of your computer, and the steps shown in this lecture are exactly the same after installing the VirtualBox. Now we will see that how we can download the Kali Linux and how we can actually add the Kali Linux in the VirtualBox. What you need to do, just go to your browser and just go to this link, and I will include this link in the description of this video. Here just click on this Kali Linux VirtualBox images, and now here you can find the different versions of the Kali Linux. What you need to do, just download the best version compatible to your operating system. As I have already downloaded the Kali Linux in my downloads folder, and now I will go into the Kali Linux folder and I will just click on this file, the .ova extension file. I will just double click on this file and it will directly open to my VirtualBox. Now here you can see that a new window appears. So I will keep the settings as default, and I just click on this import button to import the Kali Linux into my VirtualBox. So it will take some time to import the Kali Linux to the VirtualBox. It is successfully uploaded. Just click on this Kali Linux, and before we run this virtual machine, we need to set up some settings for this machine. Just click on the settings and go to the systems. And here in the motherboard section, you can find that we can assign the different memory depending upon the memory we are having in our main machine. So I usually keep it at the 2 GB because I have 16 gigabytes of RAM in my computer. So it depends upon your operating system that how much RAM you are having in your laptop or desktop. So according to that, you can also set it to 1 GB. Okay, once it is done, go to the processor, and here again you need to set the CPUs. One CPU is enough for Kali, but as I have mentioned earlier, and I have 8 CPUs in my main laptop, so I will keep it at 2. Then go to the network and click on this attached to box, and here select the network option. Now here what you can see that here the network is available for me, but in your case you will not find the network option here. So what you need to do, you just need to cancel this out and go to the VirtualBox preferences, and now go to the network, and here you can add the network into your Kali Linux network section. Just click on this add button, so a new network will be created for you guys. So if once it is created, then click OK. Again, just go to the colleagues settings, then network. So when you will click this network, you will successfully find this network option over here. Just select it out and click OK. Now what we need to do, we just need to start this Kali Linux. Just click on this start button and it will get ready for us. Okay, now let me change some settings. Okay, now we are in the Kali Linux. So it will ask us for the passwords and the username. So let me tell you that the default username for Kali Linux virtual machine is root, ROOT, as I am going to type it over here, ROOT. Next, and the password is the reverse of root, TOOR 2, and click sign in. Now you can see that now we are having the Kali Linux installed virtually on the VirtualBox, and it is quite successfully running on my laptop. And what I need to do, just go to the browser. It will take a little bit of time. Okay, now as you can see that internet is successfully connected from my main machine to my virtual machine, but in your case it could be some problem that internet may not be connected to your virtual machine. Then in this case, what you will have to do, you will need to go to the devices, network, and connect network adapter. You will just need to click this option, then again just go to your desktop. Here you can find the symbol for your network settings. Click on this. Now here we can see that I am directly connected to the wired network to my main machine from the VirtualBox. Okay, you can directly select your settings from this box. Once it is done, we are ready to go, and in the next video we will see that how we can install the Windows in the VirtualBox and how we can install the Metasploitable in Windows Box. Until then, bye. Do not forget to like this video, comment on it, and subscribe to Code Campus. Thank you.